has been the best investment of my life. I've been able to do 10 times the amount of work that I was not able to do, because I don't care what people say. A lot of it is Fred Penney. And a lot of it, you can do all the Zoom you want, but until you walk up and shake their hand and look at their face, things get done much quicker and more efficiently when I'm in people's face.
Why do you need a jet? Maybe 1 minute.
Great. The answer is no. That's a 20-minute discussion, but I'm not gonna. It has been the best investment of my life. I've been able to do 10 times the amount of work that I was not able to do, because I don't care what people say. A lot of it is Fred Penney. And a lot of it, you can do all the Zoom you want, but until you walk up and shake their hand and look at their face, things get done much quicker and more efficiently when I'm in people's face. And I truly believe that. And I'm able to get around in one day and come sleep in my bed. I was just not too long ago, and I had to go from Sacramento to Medford, Oregon. Then I went over to Salem, Oregon, to Seattle, to Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, back to Seattle, and I was at home sleeping in my bed for all those business meetings. And there's something to be said about that, and keeping me alive long enough to continue these businesses, because you can't do it. The stress of an airport just makes it more difficult. And by the way, as bizarre as this sounds, people do want to be with successful people. And this is, a lot of people don't want to say this because, oh my gosh, that sounds bad. But, success breeds success, right? You have your private jet, you fly in your private jet. And I'm not talking chartering one. A lot of people charter. No, I have my own jet with my name on it. And that just people, hey, success breeds success. That's right.
Can you tell us a little about that jet experience? Like, is it a lot faster to get out of the airport than taking a regular commercial plane? And like, what's that experience like?
Yeah,
to get you to the different destinations?
Yeah. So what happens is I have my pilots there ready when I want, and I literally pull up onto the tarmac. The stairs are down. I get up on it. Sometimes I'm taxiing within 5 minutes. I go to what's called FBOs, fixed base operations. I don't normally fly into a normal airport like LAX. I'll fly into Van Nuys, Camarillo, other areas that are easier to access. And believe it or not, there's a rental car companies that have private jet rental car companies. They literally bring my rental car up to my jet. So as I get off the jet, they put the pilots put down my stairs. I walk right into the rental car. It's sitting there for me. They pull it right up. I get in, go do my job, pull my rental car up to the jet. They take it back. Everything is done for you in a speedy, quick fashion. So I can get stuff done very quick.
And they have private airports designated for jet owners all across the country, I imagine, right?
Thousands. I think there's 2,500 or something like that. Thousands. Like in Salt Lake, I did not fly into the Salt Lake airport today. I flew into a suburb of Salt Lake in their airport.